Good day everyone. So this is my explanation about the poem of Rizal, the Virgin Mary. Ito po. So, I have a script. Isinuot ko na po ang explanation kasi baka makalimutan ko po yung sasabihin kong na iba. So, is a poem that to si Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines. In the poem, Rizal express his reverence and admiration for the Virgin Mary, who holds a significant place in Filipino Catholicism. He highlights Mary for its grace and motherly love, displaying her as source of comfort and hope for those in need. Rizal poem reflects his deep religious and cultural upbringing as well as his appreciation for the role of faith in Filipino society through Virgin Mary. He celebrates Mary virtue and present her as symbol as strength and compassion for the Philippine people. Yun lang po.